Welcome to Phoenix Contact. My name is Jack Nehlig, and I'm the president of Phoenix Contact USA. Thank you for your interest in our company. To help you better understand who we are, I thought I'd touch on two aspects of our company that I think are especially unique. The first one is what we call trusting partnerships. This is how we define teamwork. To create trusting partnerships, you need to respect everyone for who they are. Let's face it, we are all unique in our own way, and our goal at Phoenix Contact is that everyone feels comfortable with their uniqueness in our work environment. The second part of trusting partnerships is friendly interactions. We know that anyone can have a bad day every now and then, but in our world, you can't have a bad day every day. So if you visit our offices, you'll see that our people come to work with smiles on their faces and genuinely respect each other. Now, the second part of our company that I would like to highlight is our company purpose. We believe that together we can help create a more sustainable world, one based on our passion for technology and innovation. In the end, we want to empower a smart, sustainable world for future generations to enjoy. So again, thanks for taking an interest in Phoenix Contact USA. We truly believe that a team built on trusting partnerships and one that works to accomplish worthy goals is the one that wins in today's marketplace. If these values resonate with you, let us know. Maybe one day you can be part of the Phoenix Contact team.